One thing I love about you, Pete, is you're about as cynical about government as I am. I love it.
Well, I've worked in it at every level, right? I'm a current city councilman in Pasco. I worked for the United States Department of Energy, and I worked for Energy Northwest, so a state agency and a federal agency. I've seen it from the inside. And let's be clear, I'm not calling out individuals by name because I think they're very good people, great people, very high esteemed people in government at all levels. I think there are benevolent people, but government as an organization, as an entity, is not. It's self-serving, and it's got a purpose, which is, theoretically, and we could talk about what the purpose of a strong central or a weak central government is in another podcast, right? And what the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists wanted. But as government's grown, and you have these agencies that are appointed bureaucrats that will follow political whim, that's not true regulation. But anyway, I'll stop there. I don't want.
No, I'm with you. I love chatting with you.
Yeah, that's why it's frustrating because, again, Dr. Turner just told us he's got an intern. I apologize if that's the wrong term for her. Mm-hmm. He literally saved her dad's life. Had he gone to the hospital, the probability and possibility statistically that he would have died, been killed. Let's just call it what it was. Been put on a protocol to be starved, to be dried up, and take medicine that shuts down critical organ function, and then revive for the last day to see if, God willing, he lives.
Yeah. Oh, but don't forget, because of the positive diagnosis, they get an extra $13,000. And if they intubate them, then they get $38,000. So, and then if they give them remdesivir, they get extra money too. But don't worry about following the money. It's all about taking care of patients in the hospital.
Yeah. This is why I'm in the fight, and this is why our team is in the fight. This is why we're willing to go to the mat for this. And we realize it's a true David and Goliath. But again, just in talking with doctors Wilkinson, Cole, Turner, and Moon, they're all people who love their country and love their faith. And I think those are two very critical elements to our clients. Is they're faith-driven people, and they're people who want to preserve this nation, realizing that it's something special if we don't let it slip away.